was 1 year ago today. 7 a.m. cold start. You ready?
Hello.
Today is BMW True North car meet day, and we have a special guest joining us today, something you guys may have not seen, and somebody who's a huge part of the behind the scenes of Enemy. It's our boy Leo right here. What we're doing right now is we're gonna go meet some of the other BMWs that we're rolling up with. Gonna meet up with them, hit the car meet, and let's go. Very nice. Interesting wing.
Just recovering using a BMW M5.
Nice to meet you, Leo.
Very, very nice. Oh. M4, M5, M4. We are absolutely outclassed here. M4s, M3s, M4s. We're here. We thought we'd be first. We was really hoping we'd get the spot we want.
Clearly, we're not first.
Clearly, it's not the case. Tutorial how to park an M5. Oh, this thing is so clean. What's going on here, Brandon? Come on. Oh. Gross. Brandon's got carbon mirror caps. That's actually nuts.
Yeah, go away.
Carbon inserts too? Sorry, what were you saying you wanted to do?
You heard me.
He wants to do 18
I would
plus
like
things
to
to my
fuck this
car,
car.
and I already did it, so it's used.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, it's used up. We don't want that. Such a clean build. Jason himself pulling up. Look at this plate cover. The Gengar Haunter Gasly. That's so sick. Shout out. The details on this, that's kind of cool. What's up, dude? Oh, look at this piece of trash. Disgusting. This guy doesn't know how to clean his car.
I can make this, but then I can't make that.
You can make them?
Yeah.
That's sick. How do you do it? Just remove?
Yeah, so first, before you remove it, you just take epoxy or like acrylic, and then you heat it up. And then you mold it in, yeah.
Gotcha.
But just that curve, you can't get that curve.
Clear tails for the M5? I don't know. Bro. Woo. It's not that loud. That's so nice. It's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely insane. And then it's got like this like marble finish too. "30-second mod recap on the M5. Lowered, spaced, wrap, lip kit, wheels, intake scoops, some other stuff I'm forgetting. Blacked out grills.
The wheels?
I already said wheels.
Okay.
That's it. But I do think I need the headlight upgrade now. Like these are the pre-LCIs, and you can see like the eyebrow they still have with the orange. It just looks old. I'm not a huge fan of it.
It's still nice in my opinion.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
We did like a restoration like 6 months ago, so they do look a lot better than they were. But it's time to modernize this and get a second car.
You want to rev it?
Yeah, I'm waiting for Frank and everybody else. Because there's like, you get like 3 revs a day out of the M5, or otherwise it's broken.
3 revs a day.
3 revs a day. It's my
Wow.
subscription cost.
Very nice. Oh my god, I can only imagine the tunnel runs, dude. Oh my god, I gotta listen to
Yo.
that. I've never been.
What model do you think this is? What do they call it?
It's 40?
It's a 340, yeah.
54 for sure.
Yeah, it's the 2026, that's why.
It's Ferrari.
We saw a ton of cool cars. Did not take home any awards because we're leaving before they're giving them out. But the crew's basically all left at this point, so we're on the way out too. I'm just setting up the Insta 360 because we are going to get a nice shot of us going out. It's going to show you all the cars around us. With this. And then we are good to go. We're going to get some food, drive our buddy Leo here to the train station. But I would say overall, a super fun BMW True North car meet. First meet of the season too. And the car's looking, oh, it's gonna be a traffic jam though.
Nice feet then, man.
Thank you. Let's give him a little, just a little one. I feel like I lost like 5 different things today. My sunglasses, I'm not quite sure where they are. But overall, I would say this was a super fun meet. We've met like so many people. Dude.
Did I spin your floating center tap real quick?
Do it, bro, do it. See ya, brother. I'll catch you on the next one, eh?
Take care, bro.
I'm so hungry. My man.
I was directing traffic.
I'll see you soon,
drive safe,
okay?
drive safe, drive safe.
All the best, dude. Catch you on the next one?
Yeah.
Appreciate you. Okay, well, looks like we are not doing a poll because we have our lovely
Hey,
boys in blue.
local police officers.
Although, getting arrested and pulled over could make for some great content. So, are you gonna do a poll in front of the cops or what?
100%, bro. Yo, you want to trade?
Let's go. Just a baby one, just a baby one. Leo, did you have fun?
Yeah, I had fun.
You gotta film yourself when you say it. Leo, did you have fun?
I got fun. Yeah, it was great.
Now we are gonna get some food. We're gonna try not to get sideswiped and get home and chill. I am starving. Let's go eat. See you.
See you soon.
Fun. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I've literally been editing this video all morning long, and I'm just so hyped looking back at everything we did. It was such a fun day, and it was cool to get to show off the M5 and see all the other cars as well. Hope you enjoyed. Comment down below what your favorite car was. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I'm happy to make them. I could literally be going to like meets like this once a week, twice a week. I always forget how much fun they are, and it's honestly a great way to go meet other car guys, go get involved in the car community. Car meets are not dead in 2025, and I hope this video proves that for you guys. If you want to check out any of the car clothing I was wearing in today's video, and you want to join the Enemy Automotive Club, just head over to apparelbyenemy.com, my car clothing brand, and use code Chris10 so I know you came from the YouTube video. Save yourself 10% off the order. Get some cool car clothing, save a little bit of money. Why not? Got an M5 version 2T coming out as well with the new midnight green design like we have the M5 looking now. So look forward to that. Come into Enemy very soon. And with that, guys, hope you enjoyed. Ton of more things to come. We are going to be installing the BC Racing coilovers soon. Going to be changing up the whole fitment of the car. Can't wait to show you that. That's coming in the next few vlogs. I'll see you then. Love you. Bye.